everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I am doing perfectly fine. So, are you someone who wishes to have a good breakfast in the morning but skips breakfast due to not having enough time? So, keep on watching this video because today I've brought to you a recipe that is kids' favorite, adults' favorite, everyone's favorite. Eggless chocolate pancakes. A very simple and easy recipe. Whenever you're feeling like you're craving for cake, you can also prepare this recipe and still the pancake is going to turn out very light, fluffy with air bubbles, very soft and spongy. You're going to love eating this chocolate pancake. You can serve it with any fruit of your choice. You can also serve this during the summer, like you can just go and buy vanilla ice cream or strawberry ice cream and you can have ice cream with the pancake. Trust me, it's going to be very delicious. So this is a very quick and simple easy recipe and it doesn't take much time or much effort. So yes, let's get started. So to make the eggless chocolate pancakes, we are going to be requiring 1.5 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 cup of lukewarm milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and a pinch of salt. So let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, I'm adding in the maida all-purpose flour. If you wish, you can also use whole wheat flour, no problem at all. Next I'm adding in the powdered sugar. So I just took the normal sugar and grinded it into a fine powder. You can add sugar according to your sweetness, according to the taste that you like. Next in goes the cocoa powder. Next in goes the baking powder, the baking soda. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt, just a little bit. There we go. Now I'm taking a whisk and mixing all the dry ingredients. Just mix them well. So I've mixed in everything together. Now I'm taking the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm using salted butter. Into the warm milk, I'm adding in the butter. So there we go, the butter is added. So I'm taking my whisk and I'm going to mix it. Mix it well. We want the milk and the butter to get mixed. There we go. Now slowly and gradually I'm going to add the milk into the dry mixture. Slowly, gradually. I've added some. Now I'm going to mix it. Remember not to add in everything together. I mean not to add all the milk together. Adding the remaining the milk. So I'm going to mix everything together. So this batter is ready. I've mixed it completely well. So next in I'm adding in the vanilla essence. I'm going to mix it well with the help of a spatula. So you can see the batter is light and fluffy. That's done. So the pancake batter is completely ready. This is the consistency. Like this. It's completely ready. So we can start preparing our pancakes. So the pancake batter is ready. I'm going to give it a quick mix. Now I'm taking here a frying pan in which I'm going to heat it on low flame, and then next in I'm adding in some oil. Then I'm going to brush it. So I'm going to brush it all over nicely. Brush it well. Let it heat just a little bit on low flame. Taking in some batter. Let the excess pour out. Adding it over here on the middle. Don't worry about the shape, it will hold its shape. So just like this, a little bit. There we go. Just spread it. There we go, that's done. So I'm going to make the flame from low to medium. We will wait for the bubbles to start appearing before we flip the pancake. So just wait a bit for the bubbles. Do not rush this step. Just make sure the pan is not so hot. It should be just on low flame. So we will wait. Remember, we are using in maida flour, so it might take a little bit more time for it to cook. So you can see some bubbles are starting to appear. We will still wait for some more bubbles to appear. So the bubbles have appeared. So it's time to flip the pancake. Do not let this mixture become so dry. So you can see it's well cooked. Now on the other side, I'm going to cook it for 20 to 30 seconds on medium flame. So kids love chocolate so much, and this is a nice way to make sure the kids are eating the pancakes, at least because they are chocolatey. So I'm going to take it out. So I've prepared the rest pancakes the same way. I'm just going to place this pancake on a plate with some other pancakes that I've prepared. There we go. So you can see fluffy and nice pancakes are ready. Similarly, I'm going to prepare the rest of them. Adding in some oil, brushing it. So you can also use a measuring cup. That way your pancakes will give you an even shape. So I'm preparing 2 to 3 more smaller pancakes. So here similarly I'm preparing 3 more smaller size of pancakes, waiting for the bubbles to start appearing, and then I flip it. Very nice and easy recipe, fluffy pancakes. You can serve it whenever you're feeling hungry or for breakfast. So I'm going to flip them over, and this recipe is almost ready, so we can serve it. So our wonderful and beautiful eggless chocolate pancakes are ready. I'm taking some chopped sliced bananas. I'm adding 2 over here. You can see the beautiful layers. Light and fluffy, easy and quick, tasty recipe of eggless chocolate pancakes. Everyone loves this pancake so much. This is a very easy recipe, including all the available ingredients at home. So over here I have some chocolate syrup, homemade chocolate syrup. I prepared this chocolate syrup on my own. So I have a spoon over here. Now I'm going to drizzle some chocolate syrup. Like this. Just one more. And some little bit of more. Who doesn't love chocolate syrup? Everyone loves. So these pancakes are absolutely ready to be served. This ones I'm keeping them plain without any chocolate syrup. This one contains chocolate syrup. So do try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out for you. Kids are going to fall in love with this recipe. Both of them are ready. So with these measurements, I've prepared approximately 12 mini pancakes. So this is ready to be served. So I'm inviting everyone to come and join me in tasting this lovely eggless chocolate pancakes. So I have some few more banana slices. I'll just keep them over here for some final garnish. At least kids are going to eat this recipe. These pancakes with the bananas. Usually there are some kids who don't eat bananas. One of them is me. So at least when someone sees the pancake, they can feel like, let's eat the bananas as well. So this is done. Thank you so much for watching. Do try this recipe at home and in the comment section let me know how it turned out for you. So I want to show you how nice, light and airy and fluffy these pancakes are. So I'm just going to cut this. Just see the inside texture. You can see the air bubbles. It's completely cooked from inside. See this? Totally soft and cakey. It's very nice, light and fluffy. So it's completely cooked perfectly. See this? This is nice. So it's time for tasting. So it's tasting time. So I'm taking in the banana slice and the pancake. Wow. It's very nice. It's almost tasting like a brownie cake. It's so cakey. Whenever you feel like eating cake and you feel like, oh, making the cake is such a long procedure, you can just end up making the pancakes and it's going to taste the same as a cake. So I'm going to enjoy these pancakes of mine. It's very light, fluffy, soft, very tasty, sweet. Whenever you're craving anything sweet, make these pancakes and do let me know how the recipe has turned out for you guys. Goodbye and see you in my next video. God bless you all. So it's tasting time. So I'm taking in the banana slice and the pancake. Wow. It's very nice. It's almost tasting like a brownie cake. It's so cakey. Whenever you feel like eating cake and you feel like, oh, making the cake is such a long procedure, you can just end up making the pancakes and it's going to taste the same as a cake. So I'm going to enjoy these pancakes of mine. It's very light, fluffy, soft, very tasty, sweet. Whenever you're craving anything sweet, make these pancakes and do let me know how the recipe has turned out for you guys. Goodbye and see you in my next video. God bless you all.